is about how to write a fifth grade essay. Essay in the fifth grade should be
Clapping.
concise, clear and flow easily. Student need to be able express their ideas with proper and effective word choice choice and we are vector different throw out the essay in fifth grade.
Today our topic is about how to write essay. Students learn to English, explain, celebrate and their ideas. They are describing and going more in depth in their intent. Thank you.
Today my topic is about what is essay. An essay is nothing but of context which is writing from the of writing. So essay to a story etc. The best thing about you can usually any type of language formula or in formula it can of nothing one. Today my topic is complete.
Today is my topic about what's grammar, parts of speech. In daily life, we use different kinds of word, parts of speech, and the parts of speech of any language called grammar. English in English in English. There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Thank you.
Free.
Today's our topic is linear motion. Any body is moved to a state or circular motion is called linear motion. Take an example: car, fan, and motorcycle.
Today my topic is natural number and whole number. Number I can explain the counting of everything, and the main is counting. Then natural numbers can be resolved to her the 1 or 2 or 3 is a natural number in for example, humans have 2 eyes and 1 nose. Or animals and cow. The caveman is he have a 1 cow and he can draw a straight line on his cow, and 2 cows and caveman can be lines on a cave. Thank you.
Free.
Today my topic is Mohenjo-daro. The people of this city have been great traders, which is the river Indus, so near and the sea within easy river. The countryside mute have been fertile since wheat, rice, and cotton grow there. Finish.
The farmers also get cattle. There were
Clapping.
letting, there were craftsmen who made wood from gold, silver, and ivory cradles and cuts were for the children to play with.
3.
Today my topic is about my teacher essay. A teacher is a person who helps people to learn. A teacher of 10 work in a classroom. There are many different kinds of teacher. Some teachers teach young children in our primary schools. Today our topic is
Today my topic is introduction about velocity and speed. Today my topic is introduction about velocity and speed. Velocity, it is a rate of change of displacement that is called velocity. SI unit of velocity is Newton meter square, and velocity is a vector quantity. Formula V is equal to distance upon time. And another one is speed. Speed, rate of change of distance, that is called speed. Speed SI unit is Newton meter square, and it is a scalar quantity. Formula V is equal to distance upon time. That's all.